How's it going, guys? Today I'm going to install a remote start system for our 2020 Rav4 XLE push button start. It doesn't have remote start from the factory, wasn't equipped with it, so I bought this kit on Amazon, so hopefully it works. It's plug and play, and it has on here that it's for the Rav4 2019 to 21. And it had on there, the company even reached out to me, which is weird, on Amazon. And they're like, hey, just verifying that you have push button start in your vehicle. I'm like, yep, that's correct. And they sent it out. So, only took 2 days to get here, which is nice. Of course, today's like 60 and tomorrow's supposed to be 70, I think. But we've already had several cold days and technically already snow, so might as well get this, and now it's starting to rain again. So this is the module itself that you plug everything into, looks like. And here's all the, don't mind the car, I gotta clean this thing this weekend. I don't even know what this thing is. Oh, I think it's a hood switch. Okay, I don't know what I need to pull off. I think something to do with here, because I think connections around here. And it's raining, dang it. Alright, I'm gonna turn the car on. I know I have to get these screws out here. So, let's do that first. Start the car like normal. Alright, I pulled both those screws out and just kind of pushed with my fingers to get these separated. You can use that like automotive trim tool if you want. It's probably more recommended than what I'm doing. Just going to straighten the wheel. I'm going to shut the car off. I have to do an oil change on this weekend too.
Show my stops recording.
Come on, fingers. Let me raise this all the way up. I guess it was all the way up. Okay. I gotta use two hands. Hold on. Okay, and feeling around, I feel another screw down here. I think it's probably a Phillips as well. These have all been Phillips so far, all two of them. All right, the rain stopped for a second. So open the door. You can see the top of the turn signals and windshield wipers and all that fun stuff. Hey, we got a random blue connector here. It's kind of interesting. And then I'm guessing we have to get back in here. Pop this over. There's another screw here. That's why it's not coming off. And then there is a bolt here to remove this part. I don't know if that's just a half or what, but I'm gonna pull the screw and see what we can get to without removing this whole thing. I think I found the secret passage. I used the pry tool and popped this, and then I pulled here, and this whole thing is unclipping. And guess what I see? Right there's the body control module. So let me finish trying to pop this. You gotta be careful. This is an airbag right there. That fabric you see, that's an airbag. So definitely be careful. Seems pretty self-explanatory, but you never know. Yeah, 4 and 5 are the only ones we're messing with. Right side, and it looks like the bottom two. I got grease on mine. I was like, what is that? Okay. Bottom two, and you're going for the cream color? No, you're looking, yeah, cream color in there. Let me turn my light on. So, that how there's two sides here. You go on with the bottom two, kind of the black thing right here. Just want to point directly to, not the top one, bottom two, 4 and 5. So let's unplug those and figure out which one of these goes in. Should be this one with all the color wires, the red, yellow, white, all that. That's going to be up by your steering wheel. And looks like you just T-tap those two wires right down here. Easy peasy. Let's do that. Bottom two, these two. Alright, I unplugged these bottom two here. They have a little tiny thing you just push on the left side. I'm sorry. Left side. Right here. It's towards the bottom. You can look at these if you need to figure out kind of what they do. It's the same thing as these. See that little tab right here? You just push it down. They're really easy to push. So nice and simple. And then just plug these in and plug the factory ones on the other end. That's it. Alright, got those T-tapped in right there. I will warn you, if you're sticking your arm through where I am, this adjuster, all this stuff has a lot of grease on it. So yeah, just a warning. So since I ran it through here, we're gonna get our other wire and we are going to unplug this one and put it in line with this. Okay, we have everything hooked up to here except for the hood switch. I'm kind of hoping you don't have to have the hood switch, but we'll see. So now we need to go into programming mode. So for that, I think it's gonna be the last page on here. Yeah, just step-by-step programming. So hold down the program button with your finger still holding it down. Connect the black connector. Okay. When only the blue light is momentarily lit, release. So it should stay lit. And then insert the 3 remaining connector. Do not press the brake pedal. Press the button. So you're going to push the button to start twice. To turn on the ignition. Wait for the blue LED to flash rapidly. And then press the button to turn it off. Okay. Easy enough. Okay, we just plugged everything in. Light's blue. Push it twice to turn it on.
Show my starts recording.
Wait for it to flash. And then we turn it off. And blue light turns off.
Show my stops recording.
So now we're good? I'd say. Let's hit the brake pedal. See if it starts. Starts like normal. This thing's yellow.
My starts recording.
We're gonna shut the car off. I'm gonna pop this back on real quick so we can close the door. And then we're gonna hit lock 3 times. Oh, the lights turned on. Flash the turn signals. And it started. Okay. So now let's see if I walk up to it. It shuts the car off. Okay. That's one feature I wish it didn't do, but oh well. Well, it works. Let me put this mess back together. Alright, just got everything back together. Screw in the bottom, turn the wheel, screw there, screw there. This is all put back together, everything. Looks like how it was. So, no signs of it whatsoever. So this was a very easy install. Don't know why it's dinging though. I don't hear any dinging now. What I'm going to do is put this up and I'm going to see if it's still dinging. But yeah, this, if I wasn't recording, this would be probably 15 minutes. Yeah, dinging goes away. Alright, let's test it one last time. Everything's put together. It's unlocked right now. So we're going to do lock, lock, lock. Taillights come on. Flashes your four-ways, your hazards 3 times. Starts up, it'll run for 15 minutes. If you open the door, it kills it. I wonder if it's you open any door. Oh, I guess you have to use one of these doors. Huh? Oh, yep, it kills it. Well, sweet. Alright, let's try it one more time. Lock, lock, lock. And I think if you hit lock again after it's running, it'll shut it off. It's on the test now. So it's doing a sequence. Fire it up. Let's hit lock again. Yeah, hit lock 3 times, it shuts off. Sweet. Easy as that. Alright, well that was a install of remote start for a 2020 Rav4 XLE. Brand is StartX. I'll put a link in the description down below. Thanks for watching. See you guys next video.